I'm Nick, and welcome to my shop. Well, the future shop. As you can see, it's my backyard. But soon this will be a 2-car garage, 24 by 24 space, and I'll have all the equipment behind me. So let's talk layout. The plan is to build a 24 by 24 foot garage. It's gonna have heating, cooling, it's gonna have plenty of power, plenty of light. Basically, I can build whatever I want in this shop. The fence in the backyard is about 30 feet, and the edge of the building is going to be roughly here. The front of the building should be about here. Then I'm going to have a man door to get in and out of the shop here. I'm going to have a 1-car garage door about here to let a breeze through the shop. So the shop has been a long time coming here. It's been, well, I think about over a year of just planning, permitting, and whatnot to go from, well, just a pile of wood in my backyard, basically, in a corner I don't use, to a nice shop. Oh, spoilers. So now that you have a good idea of what's going to get built, let me show you the progress and how it's made. So that's it, the new shop being built. As you can see, I've been working in here for a little bit of time. It's actually been a few months, but to you, it's just happened. It's kind of how YouTube time works, a little bit different. But I'm really excited to do bigger projects. As you can see, I have 2 lathes going now. I have some slabs on the floor behind me. I've been working on some cool platters. I'm gonna show you all of that stuff. I'm super excited to be able to produce more content in just this bigger space. Also, I won't be hitting my head on the air ducts in my basement anymore, so that's a huge win. But anyway, this video is getting a little long, so I'm gonna leave it here. Watch out for new videos. And as always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching and have fun.